how to play Xbox 360 games on your PC using Xenia Manager. So what you need to do is type download Xenia latest version and you will be brought to this web page. So you click on xeniaemulator.com and then scroll down and then download it, which says Xenia Manager. Just click on download and click on download. After downloading it, what you need to do is extract it, and after extracting, double click on it and double click on Xenia Manager desktop app. Here click on install Xenia Canary and then click create profile and enter your name. After this, click on this plus button and select your game and make sure you select the default.xex. After selecting it, just click on launch and the game would be ready to launch. So yes, this is how you can do it, and this is how you can play Xbox games on your PC. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.